assignment cycle for June 2023. This is for third semester. This subject is applicable for supply chain management and operations management stream people. The subject is operations and supply chain management, supply chain strategies. First question is list down the competencies needed for an efficient global operations and supply chain. Which competency would you highly prioritize if you are a producer of a semiconductor which has a global demand in today's scenario, and justify? Find the core competencies in chapter 4, page number 137. So here are acquiring the core competencies. Here we have information. Then when it is asking for you to justify when it is a semiconductor business, this is a global organization, so try to find out a little more information about like related to semiconductor as well as the competency specifically for the semiconductor industry. Question 2, online fashion retailer Zalando to lay off hundreds of employees. Google fires 450 staff. Twitter shuts 2 offices. Meta confirms 11,000 layoffs, etc. If you are one of the founders of service industry, which steps you will take with respect to industry life cycle? So we can write about industry life cycle from the page 127. So this is your industry life cycle here. Okay. Then we are looking for, if you are one of the founder of service industry, steps you will take to with respect to industry life cycle. Here you try to come up with your own ideas, and this is, I think this is one of the best chance where we can put up our thoughts that how these things are happening and how we would have managed in a better, maybe we had a chance to discuss in many areas, but this is one way we can actually give our own ideas that what would have done better instead of these things what has happened, the really unfortunate things. Okay, moving to question 3. The Landmark Group owned home center has grown into one of the largest retail and hospitality uh, conglomerates in India. They have presence in India, North Africa, and Dubai, operating over 630 stores across 145 cities with an over 9.4 million square feet of retail space. The company is planning for an aggressive growth in the next 5 years and has part of its as part of this is planning an expansion to business to many countries in South America and Far East. The biggest challenge they face is of shipping the heavy furniture and maintaining the huge inventory, which adds to a lot of cost. Now, you are appointed as business consultant in the organization, suggest some different levels of strategies that ultimately helps them. Second one for B is explain different expansion strategies with respect to home center. Let's see in the chapter 3, 3.2, page number 8. Sorry, page number 80. Corporate level strategies. Here you have what are the corporate level strategies. Then you can go ahead with these strategies and then try to write up a suggestion like which strategy will be you are appointed as a business consultant in the organization ultimately help them. So this is what we have to look for. Once you read these strategies, then you can decide. Then immediate next one, what is asking for the expansion strategies here. So these are corporate strategies and these are expansion strategies. So you can write up this expansion strategy. Your expansion strategy has like a good amount of information for you. Then finally suggest what is the best for home center kind of. You keep in mind the home center is the case scenario, then write it the answer. Okay, thank you so much guys.